bum bum, bum bum, bum bum bum. Da 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 da. Brrroo, da da da, brrroo, da da da, ba 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 ba.
Like this, like this, or like this. Going to marry, sir. Motion is the action or process
of moving or being moved. Hey guys! Now let's put what we learned about motion into action with a little bit of dance class.
I hate dancing.
Come on guys, please, I promise it'll be fun.
I guess we could try it.
That's the spirit. Okay guys, let's line up.
I still don't want to go to dance class.
Today class, as you know, we are learning about motion, okay?
I'm so sick of all this motion.
But James, motion is so much fun.
Right, motion is so much fun. All right, we about to exercise, okay? All right, follow me. Jump jack. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and go.
What?
All right, we're gonna reach.
You make me wanna cry. I'm better to see you dance just one more time. So I say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before.
All right, high knees.
Say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
All right.
I said,
1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, moving up next. 5, 6, 7. Caitlin, what did you learn about motion today?
Motion is an example of exercising.
Good job. Jayla, what did you learn today about motion?
Motion is an example of roller skating.
Good job.
Fill the bus.